Hey, people, we are back. This is continuation of day 16, and there was a YouTube crash. I don't know why. It's California and still this crashes. I don't know what's the issue with YouTube, but yeah, it's now good, and we are live again. And we were working on the designing part of our sales creator, as in AKA AI Sales Console. So I have changed the name on most of the pages. We are right now working on the designing part. So let me just have a quick check if we have everything all right. And once everything is all right, we can just move on and move ahead with other things. Looks good to me. And perfect. We had added some of the stuff over here, which are still the basic ones. So we're gonna go ahead and add more stuff. First, we'll continue this. We'll go here. I don't see any of the changes that you have made because it says it has added some of the links and animations in here, but there is no animations and links in here, right? It has started working now. This one says it is ready with the plan. Let's see how it executes. It would have added obviously over here on the products page, which I still don't see. I don't see any changes that are being made on the products page. Please check again and get back to me. And now if it doesn't work, we'll use Opus 4.5 and make this thing happen because I now need a bit more speed. This is too slow for us right now. This thing it has made better. This thing is good. And it says it has added it. Yes, we are good. Um, for scale, it has given us just the two plans, while there should be three plans inside it. So let me just ask it. Looks like you have not checked the growth plan. Like inside the growth plan, we have three different plans: 5,000 minutes, 10,000 minutes, and 15,000 minutes. Please go through it again. Just have a look at it perfectly and then make all the changes inside the custom pricing plan because that is very important for ours. And you have added small boxes, but I just wanted a slim and a whole page, like the whole component that goes end to end on the page. So just go through it and make sure to edit perfectly, while make sure that it should be super mobile responsive, that if anybody goes on mobile, then they should be able to get it perfect. This one says it has worked on it. Let's go to products page again, and I don't see anything. Perfect. Let's see how this thing works. Perfect. And by that time, let me just log in and see what all things needs to be worked on so that we can just get into it. And let's log in, and by the time, let me just open up 3 to 4 different. Hey, anybody new who has joined our stream? We are working on AI Sales Console, and this is a complete sales department for any company. So it's gonna be like the sales company. So we're gonna help any of the companies for the whole sales department. This is an agentic AI sales team that we are making right now. And yeah, we are just vibe coding on it. Okay, it looks like we have the new version. Let's see. Opus is working a lot right now. Perfect. We have some errors going on in here. So, sorry. Let me just start getting on it. Over here, AI Labs leaderboard. We need to have all the. Okay. It says it's building it up. Sounds good to me. We have some error. What's that? Looks like build command is the later part, but we need this error to get resolved. Let's just delete the data so we can go to the home page to see the designs. Mhm. Perfect. This is getting worked on. Why the heck would it ask me to go on solutions page? We want that change on products page, right? This one has worked over it. Uh, it says ready. Last try. Let's see, is it happening or not? It's not gonna happen. Oh, it's happening. Perfect. Let's see products page. Well, that thing says it has made the changes on solutions page. I don't want the changes on solutions page. For now, at least. I'll have to revert those. Otherwise, doesn't look like any changes been made here. Yeah. You had to make you had to make this changes on products page, not solutions page. It's trying to reach in here, but it's not able to. Looks like that. Allow, allow. This looks good now, but the glow is added on the wrong place, I believe. Glow should be behind the brain, right? Looks like the glow you have added, it is on the wrong place. It should be behind the brain, not below the brain. Okay, let's go there. So looks good to me now. Right now, I am not touching it up. It's Google Anti-Gravity who's working on it. So it's like huge. That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay, perfect. We are in. There are no errors in there. Now we have this error. Let me give it to the dashboard is showing me this error. Please go through it and let me know if there is anything to get work on. Perfect. And on the other time, let's see what is this doing. Anti-gravity, it might take it over again. No, it's not gonna do it because it's gonna finish the task now. It says rendering playback over there. Took some pictures in here, and yeah, I believe we are good. Let's just sign out. Let's go to products page. I'd say okay, perfect. And then we're gonna ask it to work on other components. And now I want you to work on all other components on the products page except the hero component. Hero component looks perfect now. I want you to work on all other stuff out there and add some more advanced visuals. Don't add so many colorful visuals. The visuals should be subtle as well as they should be advanced and looking amazing. And they should literally explain how the things are working. It's for the products page, so make sure what all things that align with products page should be there. It should explain all those things. You can go through the documentation, what all agents we have and how they work, and you will see every other thing that's there. So you might be able to add more things in products page. So please go into it and get back to us. Okay, no touch zone. Looks like now it has added it in the perfect space. Okay, still it won't let me do it. It removed the brain. What the heck? It is generating the walkthrough, but where is the brain, bro? I restructured brain. What you are restructuring? Don't do this. Right now, it looks like you have removed the brain. You have just added the glow on the perfect position, but the brain is lost. Please check. Is it just behind it, or like why I can't see the brain? Let it go into it. Perfect. This is a no touch zone again, so basically we can't touch. It will go inside it and work on it. So I'm just sitting out and having a look at it, how everything is going on. While this thing is going on, guys, if ever anybody is new on the stream, we are building a whole agentic AI sales system. So basically, there will be multiple different agents who will be working on the business to make the sales happen. So basically, this will work as a sales team, a complete full-fledged sales team. So please make sure to just subscribe the channel, give it a like, and we for sure gonna make this thing happen like hell because we are ready with the thing. There is going to be a brain who is going to learn stuff out there, and as far as it makes a call, as it makes an SMS or an email and it receives the response, it's gonna learn, and it's gonna become the best salesperson of your team. So basically, there are multiple agents. There will be coaching sessions going on inside. There will be multiple different things going on inside, and it will be learning like hell. So that's the best part. So this is what we are doing right now. Let me see. This thing is worked over. If you want, I can implement option one. What's the word? To fetch the stats. A server path is needed to be. Yes, so whichever is the standard way to do it, and whatever you think the best path to go for, so that we can instantly go for production and that doesn't even affect us when we scale the product. Whichever thing is best, just go for it and make it happen. Perfect. It says now, let me verify the brain is visible. Let me verify that. Okay, it took me. Oh, yes, the brain is visible. It has the glow behind it, and we are good. So, see, this is the best part. This is the best part. Okay, so that's where we are. See, we have the brain. Um, Looks perfect to me. Yes, we are good. We are good. Definitely, we are good now. Now I can paste that thing. Let me close this. Oh, let me close this. Perfect, it is working on this. Looks good to me. And perfect. Why this taskbar is not hiding? Let's get into it. Let's see. Automatically hide the taskbar. Turning it off. Turning it on. Canceling it. Let's see. I don't know, there is some issue. Once you have started, using in that way, like the taskbar should hide, you don't like it when it's up. That's what I feel. That's a habit to not to see it. But it's okay. I can manage it for now. Let's go in. Let's see our boy is doing work. Yes. Proceed, bro, proceed. Have you guys made this or not? You just have to send a gift emoji to ChatGPT and it will make you this. It's amazing. Look at it. I don't get that much views all the time, but for that kind of video that I made, look at it. It got some 1,300 views. That was crazy. Somebody saved it. Somebody reposted it. What the heck? What the heck? This was crazy. It was said by Sam Altman in one of his tweets that just send this. I just sent it and I got this. Can we see engagement or something? These people have liked it, but perfect, perfect, perfect. Sounds good to me. AI Reps leaderboard. There is AI Reps leaderboard in the dashboard. I want you to just connect all of our agents into it. All the coaching agents, all the SMS, email, all the agents that we have. Just add all those in here, connect their backends and all the endpoints of theirs in here so that we can see the real time data, what are they doing, what all things they have done, and what all the results they have got to us. So just go deep into it and make sure to make this thing happen perfectly so that we don't have any errors out there and we just can see all the what all the agents are doing and how are they working right now currently. Sounds good. Looks like the volume has gone down, I believe. Perfect. Now, what I don't want is live activity component and recent calls component. So we will ask somebody else. Okay, let's not ask because right now it's getting worked on. Let's go to reports page and let's see. Do we have all the backend ready for it or not? Last 30 days. This looks good to me. Let's see if we have any gaps out there. Um, this will be for dashboard only. Okay, let's keep it there. Um, for the reports page, I need a new one. I want you to go through the reports page and check all the features, all the cards that are being added over there. Have the perfect endpoints and backend services connected or not? And does anything calls to a mock data or the seeded data? Then make a comprehensive plan to connect it with its own backend or endpoint services wherever it's gonna get connected. And go through everything in the reports page. Get me the perfect thing out there that what all things we are lagging in so that we can start working over it. Perfect, it got the point. Let me give it the link and it'll start working. So people, we are doing model orchestration. What do you mean by model orchestration is you just have to use different models for different things out there. It's not all the time you use the same model because that will make you go dive deep into a shit. Perfect, it has worked on it. Amazing, these are getting worked on. Agent speech. Why I'm going through all these pages is just because we need to make sure that we don't lag at any point. We don't have any problems at any point because that's the most important part. Obviously, we had built all these things before, like not everything, but yes, so many things. But right now we are working on it just because we need to get the better idea on it, and we need to see that does anything have any other problems because yes, I lost a bit of the data, so like a bit of the code, and I don't want to miss on anything. Want this thing to work as the next level thing. So that's why I'm going through every other part of it. This looks so basic and so shit. Why is it not taking the picture? Nice. Learn from every conversation, not every thousand calls. Every single call is the learning. That's crazy. Please have a look at the agents documentation so that there you will find all the agents' name and what they do. And from there, you can find out the coaching agent and all other things out there. All the decisions for table goes for you, but All the decision of the tables goes for you. Looks like it's not working or what? All the decision of table goes for you. It's just that I want the real data, real-time data to be fetched into that table for all the agents. Whatsoever, whosoever is doing, it should be mentioned in there so that we don't fall out of data and just the client of ours don't have to go to different pages to see what all agents are doing. Perfect. We're gonna work on calls page. Calls page is one of the important pages of ours. There will be three different tabs inside it. So we will just make the toggle smooth. We'll make everything super perfect in there. Okay, all of these things are getting worked on. What about this? Calls page is getting compiled. Let's see how much time does it take. 8 seconds. I want you to work on the designing of calls page, like all three tabs inside it should be perfectly designed. What the heck is going on? Let's use Flash. I have heard a lot about it, so let's see how it goes. But while you work on it, make sure that you don't mess up the backend. Just work on the front end part and make sure to connect it perfectly with backend again. Perfect. Look at the speed. Look at the speed. It's huge. It's going crazy. Let's see what it does. While at the same time, let's see the reports page. Connection plan, verify config. Da 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 da. Start working on each and every part of it and make sure all those things that are in the gaps or risks, you just address everything, make a comprehensive plan and resolve all those things. Yes, we have already connected everything in the env, so you don't have to worry about it. Just work on everything in here so that we are gapless, and it there should be no scope of improvement. If you find any scope of improvement, do let me know so we can work on it too. Crazy, crazy. Look at it. Look at it. Wow. Guys, Flash is crazy. Whoa. What the heck? There should be some hover effect on all this also, right? Still working on it. It is making it crazy. I just loved it. Flash is flashing around. Whoa. Work on the hover effect in the history page and then make the same, just redesign in the same way the agents page also, and even the callbacks page. It is gonna be crazy. Let's see how long does it take. How can we just go for something like this, or make it a way more better, is just by the model orchestration. So let me make you guys learn about this. That once you get started with this thing, you can just be like use the Flash. Okay, Flash will make all the things super good. Then polish it with Gemini 3 Pro. Then polish it with Opus 4.5 if you have a lot more time. If you just want to focus on these parts, you can just do it and it will make it crazy, right? So that's the best thing. We have to remove recent calls and live activity. Perfect. It says it has added all these things in here. I don't see you have added any agents in the AI Apps leaderboard in the dashboard. Please make sure you have added it, and all those things are perfectly connected to its backend too, so that there should be no loss and gap in the functionality. And it should get updated each and every moment. Is still working on it, so maybe that's why we have the error and agents page. But once it's done, it won't have any errors. Reports page, let's see. It says everything is perfect. Pipeline bucket trends now calculated. Nothing should have a mock data and reports page. Please make sure about this. Check it again and see if there are any improvements that you think should be made. Looks like it then took it in. Dashboard page is getting worked on. Reports page is remaining improvements. Go on and start working on it. Now we will have another agent of ours that's gonna be for calls page. Please have a look at calls page and make sure every other thing inside it is completely connected with their own backend services and endpoints. And if anything is not connected over there, please make sure that we have the comprehensive plan to make it happen and start working on it, because I want the calls page to super ready, like it should be super ready to go for production. Perfect. Let's name it calls page. Perfect. It doesn't have to work on the front end, it will just work on the back end so that we are ready with it. Mhm. Looks good to me. And last time. Perfect. Pipeline deltas now always compare against the prior equivalent window. Perfect. Let's see how long does it take to resolve an error. Perfect. All the agents are added. I want you to remove live activity and recent calls from dashboard. Both of the components are not needed right now. All of these are working. Oh, agents page. Syncing agent grid. Let's see. Perfect. I thought we had the wrong thing. What app are you making right now? AI sales console.io. World's first train first agentic AI sales. Oh, train first is already mentioned. Crazy. Looks like okay, it's still working on it. Let's see. Now I guess I need to give it to Sonnet 4.5 because this is not able to resolve the error. Oh, it resolved it. The heck. I'm sorry. Wow! Look at it, people. This is. Don't you think it's crazy? It's just like next level part. What the heck? I love it. Okay, I just need to have one more agent to get it connected with agent's page. Like agent to get connected everywhere else. Let me show you what do I mean by just shitting around. Please go through agent's page and check if everything is connected perfectly well with the retail on the back end and all the endpoints are connected perfectly or not. If anything has the seeded data or if anything is working weirdly, like if we just change some agent's name and if it just adds a new agent or something like this, if it works in some weird manner, then please go through it, please fix it, and I want you to even make a comprehensive plan of whatever gaps you find to make all those perfect and to fix all those. And if you find any improvement points, do let me know so that we can start working on it. On it? Wow, it understood. On it. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Agents page. Lovely. See, if Flash is making this kind of magic, then how are we gonna live? It's gonna be huge. How about callbacks page? Like, look at it. It's crazy. This is crazy. Wow. Okay, we need to work on callbacks page backend. please go on callbacks page and see what all things are missing out the backend points and backend services and endpoints remaining. Like I feel like every other thing has some or the other gaps inside it, and all the things are working weirdly. So please go inside it and make sure all the things are super perfectly connected with backend and endpoints so that it doesn't have any errors, and everything should work perfectly on the callbacks page. So please go through it and let me know and have a comprehensive plan to make all these things work. Perfect. Sounds good to me. Callback page. Now I am getting a feeling of like making this thing work on every other part, like using Flash everywhere for designing. It's like it's doing crazy work. Aren't you guys seeing it? Okay, look at this right now. Okay, this thing looks good to me, but it has all these errors. That's what Flash will fix. I want you to check out the mini CRM page, and it should fit like there is like we right now the need of it is we need to scroll in the page from right to left. I want it to fit in the single page. We don't have to scroll in any way. And I want it, so basically we have added a daily briefing component on the right side, which has the ability to work similar as the sidebars. So basically we can collapse it and we can open it. So right now, whenever it opens up, it just stays on the side, and we just have to scroll the screen from left to right to just see it. I don't want that thing to happen. I want the whole screen to stay on on. I don't want to scroll all this stuff. So I just want it to stay at the same place. And if I open it, it just come over, and it can, it can at that time it can just overlay on the tables, and it can just open up on the screen. So I just want it to work perfectly. So please go through its design and make sure all these things work perfect on mini CRM page. And make sure that you don't mess any of the backend or endpoints or any of the backend services. And you just work on the front end part. Let's see how it works. Let's go to people's page. People page has this small issue. Other than that, I don't think anything has the issue, but I want all these things to be working. Okay, let's close all this. Let's close this one too. Let's close this. I want you to go on leads page and check all the things are perfectly connected with backend and endpoint services perfectly or not. And if not, then make a comprehensive plan to make the whole page work super perfectly and in the super smooth manner. Whatever endpoints and whatever backend services we need to add, do work on it and add all those things so that it doesn't shit out at any place and it doesn't lag at any of the spot. I don't want no seeded connections and no mock connections. Everything should be connected with real data and real spaces only. This is working on leads page. Dashboard. It has resized everything perfectly or not. I need to check that. Looks like you have removed those, but you didn't